This 52-year-old lady by the name of Vuyokazi Ghana, who is a teacher, not just a teacher, a deputy principal at the school that she teaches at, and she's also a pastor at her church, she has been arrested for human trafficking, sexual exploitation, as well as running a brothel, and the youngest victim being just 16 years old. So what this lady has allegedly been doing for years, because the investigation that led to this arrest started back in 2023 in September, she has been recruiting children between the ages of 16 and 19, specifically targeting kids from a poor background in areas such as Mthatha, Qumbu, as well as Ngaleni, promising them job opportunities and saying that they can come and live with her. And when they get to her house in East London, that's when she started charging them between 250 Rand to 300 Rand per night for their rooms and forcing them to sleep with her clients so that they can afford to pay for this accommodation that she was providing. And she would also take her cut or commission from whatever these children would make. As I said, this investigation started back in 2023 in September when the Hawks received anonymous tips from people who were alleging that there were children being exploited. They then gathered their evidence and were only able to make an arrest on the 15th of October, which was 2 days ago. She appeared in court yesterday on the 16th of October, where she was charged with 7 counts of human trafficking. And the case was then postponed to the 23rd of October 2025 for a formal bail hearing, which is next week Thursday. But yeah, this is definitely a story that I will be keeping up with, because this whole thing is just crazy, to say the very least. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this story.
Kgotso ke moruti Vladimir Portal. Batho ba Modimo a ke boleleng le lena. Ke le boditse ka re mo dikerekeng baruti ba lena ke bona baloi la hana go ntheletša. Jwale lo tše ka moka di a tšwelela. Ke le boditse ka re baruti ba bofelwa. Jwale lebella mosadi Shule kwa Eastern Cape. Mosadi ke teacher goba ke principal. Mosegare bošego o rana brothel, o tšea bana ba banyana wa ba rekiša wa ba traffica. The Hawks mo tshwere. Jwale dipotšišeng gore ke eng ga botsebotse e ediwang ka mo kerekeng. Dikereke tše diphiri tše di tshwereng ke tše dife, ka gore baruti ba ona ka moka ba nonna ba le ka mara ditaba. Jwale ke nyaka le mpotšeng gore a le bone na le go njwale gore lo tše tša lena tše ke scam. Monna o tshwarelwa go utswa tonki ke ena di a re le dieso lebitšong la gagwe.